Hi guys! Today I'll show you how to make okra with spices and onions. The okra in my garden did really well this year, and it's one of my favorite vegetables. The flowers are yellow, bright and happy. The leaves look tropical. It's an easy vegetable to grow as long as it gets sun and heat. It's also one of the few vegetables birds and animals don't eat, so it's pretty much the perfect vegetable to grow. Here's the fresh okra. I've washed them, and now I'll put them on a towel to dry. Trim the top, put a slit down the middle, turn the okra and put another slit so the okra opens up. The top should remain intact. The other ingredients are chopped red onion, garlic cloves peeled, and ginger root peeled and cut. We're going to make a paste out of this, so you don't need to chop the garlic or ginger. For the spices, ground turmeric, red chili powder, ground coriander, fenugreek or methi powder, garam masala. The next two spices give the okra a little bit of sourness. If you don't have them, lemon juice is fine at the end. Amchur or dried mango powder, and Anardhana, which are dried pomegranate seeds powdered. We'll also need some cumin seeds and fennel seeds. I'll leave links to the spices below in case you want to get them online. For the paste, grind the garlic and ginger in a food processor or blender with a little bit of water. Add the spices and process until smooth. Scrape the sides down in between if you need to, so the mixture is even. And here's the paste. Put the paste in a bowl and add vegetable oil. Mix it up. This spice blend goes really well with okra. We'll rub the paste all over. Once the outside is covered, grab some of the paste and put it in the slits of each okra as best as you can. Cover the bowl and set it aside for 30 minutes. Heat up a pan. It should be wide enough so all the okra can fit. Pour in some vegetable oil. The oil's hot, I'll put in the cumin seeds and fennel seeds. They'll sizzle and you'll smell them. Now I'll add the chopped onion. Saute the onion just for a few minutes until soft. That was about 2 minutes. Now I'll add the okra. Cook for a few minutes and turn them over. After you've turned it over once or twice, turn the heat to medium-low. Cover and cook until the okra is tender. It's best to cook the okra in a single layer like this. Remove the ones that are done and continue to cook the rest. Taste and squeeze a little fresh lemon juice all over if it needs it, especially if you have not used the Amchur or Anardhana powders. This dish is a great way to use fresh okra, and I hope you make it. Click on that bell icon to get notifications when I upload a new video. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.